Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We continue our class on railway track engineering. Today, we'll discuss about some basic terminologies that are being used in railway engineering. So, let's start with it. Important technical terms, and this is Professor Adnan Khader. When you first go through this chapter of the subject of railways, there are some things, some terminology that are never being used before in your career, or it may be different from what you heard in your normal life. Generally, when we talk about a railway is a track form of rails of iron or steel along which trains are driven, is known as railway. In general, the term railway also includes all layers of rails, sidings, and branches worked over for the purpose of or in connection with the railway. Then there is a terminology you will often refer while you are going to treat this subject. This is a rolling stock. By rolling stock, we mean the locomotives, passenger coaches, and wood wagons, which roll or run on railways tracks constitute rolling stock. Now, there are different types of rolling stock. So let's start with the locomotive. The locomotive means the engine in general term, or specifically you can define them as a mechanical device which transfers chemical energy of fuel into mechanical energy in the form of motion, and that is, we call them as locomotive. This fuel can be in the form of water and coal, diesel or electricity, or in modern days, it can be a biogas. Then, under rolling stock, there comes the term called wagons. It's nothing but a good compartment are called wagons. So whatever you carry, the freight, you can say, this is a wagon. Then the coaches, this passenger compartment are called coaches. This does apply only to coaching stock. And what I mean by coaching is all types of vehicles that run in passenger trains are called coaching stock. Then there's a goods stock, vehicles used for movement of goods, heavy and bulk commodities are being carried, and it is known as goods stocks. Then there is a, now if you want to define it like this way, that in a rolling stock, there can be a locomotive, there is a coaching stock, and the goods stocks. Within locomotives, there is a steam locomotive, there is a diesel locomotive, and electric locomotive, and add biogas as well. And then the coaching stock, it can be a passenger van coaches and the vans. And within vans, it is mail vans, luggage vans, parcel vans, brake vans, and others. Goods stocks, they are categorized as covered wagons and open top stock. When the open top stock, it can be high wall wagons, small wagons, without wall wagons, and others. Now, why we need a railway? It's the most convenient and safe means of transporting people, a significant and potential means of transporting men and material over large distance in a